Now let's go back over the common data type that is lists. You may remember we went over this earlier in this module, and we also went over it in JavaScript. In JavaScript we called this arrays, but it's pretty much the exact same thing. Essentially, a list can hold as much data as you like and different data types within the list. So we can store numbers like integers and floats, we can store strings, we can even store other lists. And if we were feeling very crazy, we might even add, after a comma, another list. So we can have a list within a list within a list, which is pretty cool. So each of the different pieces of data we add in, they need to be separated by a comma. That's very important. And what's also important about lists is that they're kept in order. So this is the first element within the list, this is the second one, third element, then this large one is all in all the fourth element. So things to remember about whenever you're creating a list is that you need to give it a variable name, and then you need to use the square brackets, then you can put in whatever data you like, as long as it's separated by commas. And within lists, this is going to be kept in order. So this will be the first, second, and third. And we'll be revisiting indexes in a lecture coming up. So have a go at creating a few lists yourself, see what kind of things you can add into it. It's good practice just to get used to creating them yourself, maybe coming across a few errors. For example, you might forget to have a comma. So it's always good to give it a try, come across these errors, and work out how to create lists correctly. So have a go at that, and I'll see you in the next lecture.